What if you could make a woman think about you constantly, without saying much, without chasing, without even trying too hard? The truth is, desire isn't forced. It's planted, like a seed. And if you understand psychology, you can plant that seed in her mind without her even knowing it. The first key is curiosity. Desire begins with mystery. If you reveal everything too quickly, your feelings, your plans, your emotions, she has no reason to think about you when you're gone. But if you hold back just a little, if you leave a gap, her mind fills it with questions. What is he thinking? Why didn't he tell me more? That's the start of desire. The second key is presence. When you're with her, be fully present. Listen with intent. Look her in the eyes. Make her feel that, in that moment, nothing else exists. People rarely forget how you made them feel. If she feels seen and understood with you, she'll crave that feeling again and again. The third is contrast. Don't always be available. If you give her constant attention, she gets used to it and stops valuing it. Instead, create moments of distance. Show her you have a life outside of her. The absence makes your presence more powerful. She'll wonder what you're doing, who you're with, and why she misses you so much. The fourth is subtle compliments, not the obvious ones like, "You're beautiful," but the ones that touch her identity. "I love how you think differently than most people," or "You have a way of making a room brighter without even trying." These bypass the surface and sink into her subconscious. And finally, the most powerful seed of desire is self-control. When you don't rush, when you don't try to force the moment, you create tension. That tension is what makes her think about you long after you've gone. So remember, curiosity, presence, contrast, subtle compliments, and self-control. Together, they plant the seed of desire in her mind, not in a manipulative way, but in a way that makes her feel drawn to you, even when she doesn't fully understand why. That's how you make her think about you, not for a moment, but for a long time to come.